Hi guys, Merry Christmas. I am here in Mactan, Cebu Airport. This is my first time. This is also my first time going to Taipei. I'm very excited to show you guys what is in Taipei. Let's go. Hi guys, so we're here at RAOHE Night Market with my sister Paula. What can you say about the place?
Pang.
And I'm also here with my other sister, Tiara.
Hello.
So what can you say about the place?
It's good. It's just what I expected. Subscribe to my channel. Just kidding. I love the food. I love everything. I love the colors. I love the diversity. I love how the flavors of the food just explode in your mouth. So I know it.
I also love that the negativity could not foster, and you see the
silver
faces
lining
of the
yeah.
children and the millet.